Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here's a quick tutorial on how to blur image background in Adobe Photoshop 2020. Before getting started, please make sure to subscribe my channel. Select Object. Select and Mask. Select New Layer with Layer Mask in Output option. Press OK. Hide only middle layer. Select Middle Layer. Select Subject using Lasso tool. Go to Edit, choose Fill. Choose Content Aware in Contents option. Press OK. Click Ctrl D, go to Filter Blur, and choose Lens Blur. Select Hexagon in Shape option. Change radius value to 100. Threshold 255. Press OK. Unhide and select Top Layer. Go to Color Lookup and choose your favorite filter. Change opacity if needed. Thank you. Please subscribe.